Here's a nice thing that you can do in Typogram, and I want to do that in Illustrator as well, and I'm going to show you how. When you're in Typogram, then you can generate artboard, go to the colorful section, and then you get this. And you see what they've done here. They've colored in basically all the counters, and inside of outline fonts also everything that is enclosed in a shape. So that's what we want to do. And let's go to Illustrator. I have already prepared this, so I have set up a text. I'm going to, no, let's make the duplicate later. So what we're going to do is style this first. So I'm going to select a font, this one here. It has some outlines, so nice things that we can color in. So in order to set up that color, we need to have the appearance panel, and then we need to have an additional fill. This one, I'm going to make it yellow first, and it needs to be below the characters. So now we do not see it because it's the same shape as the font. So we're going to Effect, Pathfinder, and Divide. And you see it has been colored in, but in case it doesn't do that for you, you need to click on this underlined divide, and then we have options for the pathfinders. And there is an option, Divide and Outline will remove unpainted artwork, and you need to uncheck that. So that's that, and then we get this result. And now I need to make a duplicate because we need to take a look at two versions of how to do this. One of these is fully editable. So I'm going to use an effect, but the effect is inside of a plugin. So we have to go to Effect, Randomino, and this is part of the Astute Graphics suite of plugin. And we can go to Color Randomizer here. And in the color randomizer, what we can do is go to the hue variation, and you see we get different colors, which is pretty nice. You can randomize the saturation and the lightness as well, and then that's that. So then we can go to OK because we're done here. And there still, you can double click that and edit the text or assign a different font, and then magic happens. But in case you do not have the plugin, then that's no problem either, because what we can now do is go to Object, Expand Appearance. So it's slightly less editable, and we need to go to the Layers panel to see what we've got. It's this one, this is the group. And up here we have the original text that is still editable, but the yellow elements are no longer editable. The only thing we can do with them is color them. And for that, I'm going to select that group. And I have already prepared a color group that I want to use in the swatches. So I'm going to select that as well. And then we need a script, which is free. I'm going to put a link into the description of the video. And then let's open the script. And I'm always using File, Scripts, Other Script with a shortcut. There we have the script in my downloads. Let's open it. And then what you can do if you just want to assign color, you can click on Fill Color. Do not check for all items because then it will be the same for all of them. We do not want to do that because we have swatches. So what I can now do is click Fill Swatches, and you see then those have been applied randomly. I cannot use that a second time because they have been deselected. So all I can do is go to OK, and then there is the result. So that's how you do the nice thing that you may have discovered in Typogram and want to do in Illustrator.